Micelles are nothing but associated colloid. At low concentration, they exist as an electrolyte in the solution, and at high concentration, they aggregate to form the colloid, which is nothing but micelles. But there are two conditions for formation of micelle. The first one is the formation of a micelle takes place only above certain temperature. That temperature is nothing but Kraft's temperature. And above certain concentration, that concentration is called as critical micelle concentration, CMC. The example of a micelle is soap. Soap is in the form of fatty acid, that is RCO minus Na. For example, sodium stearate is present in almost all of the soaps. Its formula is CH3CH2 16 times CO minus Na plus. When it is added into the water, it is dissociated as RCO minus and Na plus. So this R is nothing but the alkyl part, which is hydrophobic part, and CO minus is the polar part, which is hydrophilic part. This is called as the head of that micelle, and this is called as the tail. Now at low concentration, this hydrophobic part will start moving away from the water, and the hydrophilic part will be inside the water in this form. But at high concentration, they aggregate at micelle concentration and Kraft's temperature to form the micelle. Just like in the form of soap, in the detergent also it exists as a R, SO4 minus and Na plus. In water it dissociated at this R, SO4 minus and Na plus, and again the same micelle formation takes place in the detergents also. Cleansing action. What happens is, in the form of RCO minus, if you assume a soap, then the R part is hydrophobic and CO minus is hydrophilic. So being hydrophobic in the nature, if this dirt or what we say is oil or whatever the grease is there, then the hydrophobic part will be inside this oil because it hates the water. Water is present outside, and the CO minus, being water loving, it stays in the water, and because of the water and the CO minus interaction, this dirt will be pulled out because of this hydrophobic part, and in this way the dirt is removed. This is nothing but a cleansing action.